Hey guys, so today we will be making adorable Christmas bows. What you will need: the mini Bodabra. I have this really pretty ribbon from Le Ribbon. It's 1.5 inches in width, and I have two pieces. They are each 30 inches long. I have this 3/8 width ribbon. They are 4 inches long. Some bow wire, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your ribbon in half to find the center. And then you're going to take one end, fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut it at a diagonal. This is going to give you a really pretty ribbon cut. This part is optional, but fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Now fold it in half again to find your center. Fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the center. Then you're going to open up your ribbon with the wrong side facing up and scrunch it. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down on your Bodabra. Take your ribbon and make a loop. You can measure if you choose to do so, but I just estimate. And you're going to scrunch it. And then since you have a right and a wrong side of the ribbon, you're going to twist it. Just like that. And you're going to take the other side and do the exact same thing. Scrunch it in the center and give it a nice twist. And then place it down. Just like that. And then you can scrunch it with your wand. Bring your ribbon back. You're going to scrunch it. But this time we're not going to twist it. And just place it down. Take the other ribbon, scrunch it, and place it down. If we were going to make more loops, then we would do the scrunch and twist. But we're not. And then use your wand to scrunch everything together. Just like that. So cute and precious. You can add as many loops and tails as you'd like. Alright, when you're done, you're going to take your bow wire and you're going to place the two open ends inside of the loop. Then you're going to hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from your Bodabra. You can adjust it if you need to make it look nice and pretty. Then we're going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And we're going to take our 4-inch long piece, tie it in a knot, and we're going to hot glue it in the center. Place it down, and we're just going to glue it all the way around. This is what it looks like. So cute and precious. I'm going to make one more.